I have such an exciting announcement for you, which is that my digital course, the Self-Taught to Self-Employed Masterclass, is now officially in pre-launch mode. What does that mean? That means that you can pre-order it now for an early bird price and save your spot in it. And I am so excited about this. But before I get ahead of myself, let me tell you a little bit more about it. Now, what is the Self-Taught to Self-Employed Masterclass? Well, this is really for anyone who is looking to turn that creative passion or side hustle, and this time really go for it, go all in for it. Let me ask you this. How long have you waited to have the confidence to really take that leap and go all in and commit yourself to doing it? 6 months? A year? More? I know it can be a little scary to go on this journey alone, and that is really why I've put together this program to offer you the community, the support, and really a roadmap to make it all happen. So how it works is that there are 5 modules with pre-recorded videos where I'm talking to you like this, very much like my YouTube videos, plus some fancy slides in there. And with each module, you'll also have lots of PDF worksheets that you can download and really these exercises to keep you accountable and to do the work. Then we'll also have weekly live calls with me. So 6 weeks of live calls, and in these calls or group coaching sessions, there's time for feedback, for Q&As, and really just take a deeper look at what we learned in that module that week. So there are 5 of those, 1 for each module, and then 1 extra one to sort of wrap things up. I know that a lot of you in my audience have that creative dream or passion, or that it's a side hustle, or maybe just a hobby right now, but that you would like to be able to make a full-time income with it. And I think that's such an exciting dream, to be able to really put your full potential out there, and instead of working for somebody else's dream or having a part-time job that you resent, and to spend your life doing something that is not really what you truly want to do. And I know that a lot of you are maybe thinking about publishing your own books, or you want to start a YouTube channel or your own little Etsy shop, or you're an artist or a designer or musician. I know there are so many of you that are so creative and talented out there. And I really wanted to make this program for anybody who is out there and wants to make that happen, but maybe you just need that extra commitment and really invest in it, and to be able to believe in it yourself. Sometimes you have to take that leap and also invest in it a little bit, because then you'll be more likely to follow through, because when there's just kind of these empty promises, we might not follow through on them. Or at least for me, it really helps to have that accountability, and also just someone laying it out for me. I'm very good at following steps, and when somebody just tells me like, where do I start? And I have been through this journey 4 years now of being self-employed and a creative entrepreneur, even in many different countries. I've done this now. And in this course, there are 5 modules with everything I've learned. So my story has very much been to first build an audience and use really Instagram and YouTube to build that audience, to be able to do what I love and live this life of insane freedom, and being able to choose who I work with, the clients that I take on, being very strategic with that, and consistently trying to improve the quality of my work. I've designed the course so it is for anybody that has a creative dream and you want to turn that into reality and make money while doing it as well, because we have to pay the bills, right? And also when you're self-employed, the really exciting thing is that the sky is the limit of how much money you can make in this stuff. And there is 1 module with going through the steps of how to make it all happen, and thinking of branding, design, how to figure out your niche, really simplifying your workflow process. Then we're going to talk about Instagram success, how to build and grow a really engaged community. And then we're going to talk about video and YouTube, and how to get the awkwardness of being in front of the camera. And I'll be sharing how to plan, edit, shoot your videos. And then, of course, there's one module also about how to make money, how to make your thing profitable, and different ways how you can go about that. And then in the last modules, your future plans. Along the way, you'll have the support of me and of the community. So if this is something that sounds like it is just for you, then you can sign up now for early bird pricing. This is only for a limited time that the early bird price is on. And when you sign up now, you'll also get bonus access to creative photography with Kika. All the course material will be live on July 7th. So the actual course when we start is on July 7th. So right now you can pre-order it. You can immediately start with creative photography with Kika. So you'll get access to that immediately and really start to dive into photography. And then on July 7th, the self-taught to self-employed masterclass really kicks in. If you're interested, then go and click the link in the description below. Last time I said description in the link below, that was not correct. You can go click the link in the description below if you want to join, if this is for you. If it's not, then I hope to see you here on YouTube and continue to inspire you, give you tips, and just share everything I'm going through. But if this is something that sounds like it's for you, I would love to help and support you in your journey, and just also give you lots of pep talks, because I feel like that is really where I shine, and I just love to share my enthusiasm and joy, and I get so much energy from you as well, and just hearing about your stories. So that's it. That was my huge announcement. I'm so proud of this program, and I can't wait to embark on this journey with you. So I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll hope to see you here next week again. Ciao! Oh, and now I have to clean up all that confetti.